Newscrunch. Chihuahua was abducted by a seagull. It could happen, expert says. A wee Chihuahua was recently snatched from his backyard in Paddington, Devon, a seaside town in the southern part of the United Kingdom. The culprit, according to his owner, was a seagull. But while such an attack is feasible, they are very rare, said Viola Ross-Smith, a science communicator with the British Trust for Ornithology, who earned her doctoral degree while researching large gulls. Chihuahuas generally weigh no more than 6 lbs, 3 kilograms, but so-called miniature Chihuahuas or teacup Chihuahuas, which are not officially recognized breeds, according to the American Kennel Club, can be even lighter, so they are about the same size as other animals that are the natural prey of gulls, Ross-Smith explained. After picking up its prey, a gull may carry it a short distance, she added. But Gizmo's abductor purportedly carried the dog a fair way until his owners couldn't see him anymore, Hill told The Guardian. She distributed flyers and shared his photo with local animal rescue organizations. One such agency, UAV Lost Dog and Rescue, shared a poster on Facebook urging neighbors to check rooftops and trees for Gizmo, sadly still missing as of yesterday, July 22nd. Amazon-backed food delivery startup Deliveroo acquires Edinburgh software studio Cultivate. Deliveroo, the London-based food delivery startup backed by Amazon, that is itself valued in the billions, has acquired a small Scottish startup called Cultivate, a software development and user experience design house that has worked with a number of big names, including Deliveroo itself. Deliveroo, which today has 80,000 restaurants and 60,000 riders on its books across 500 cities in 14 markets in Europe and beyond, Australia, Belgium, France, Germany, Hong Kong, Italy, Ireland, Netherlands, Singapore, Spain, Taiwan, United Arab Emirates, Kuwait and the United Kingdom, is subsequently creating a new fintech hub in Edinburgh, where Cultivate is headquartered. It will be run by Andy Robinson, currently Chief Commercial Officer for Cultivate. Cultivate itself was a small, likely around only 15 employees, but profitable business, from the looks of its filings with Companies House. It was also off the radar somewhat as a startup. Originally founded in 2007, Cultivate was initially acquired in 2009 by Texas firm EdgeCase, which was then itself acquired by Canadian web firm Group Buy in 2017 in a bid to take on Shopify, and rebranded to become Near. Subsequent to that, Cultivate was amicably spun out again. In that time it had raised an undisclosed amount of funding from unnamed investors. News of this acquisition comes in the same week that Takeaway.com and Just Eat announced that their respective boards had agreed on the basic terms of a merger to create an expanded footprint across Europe. The deal, if it completes, will not only give the two more economies of scale and thus a better return on their own tech investment, but the aim will be to help them compete better against the likes of Uber Eats, a major priority for now public Uber. Subscribe for more news and hit that bell icon to stay updated for more content.